Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to ship an item on StockX. Now if you want to ship an item on StockX as seller but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to ship an item, make sure that you have installed the StockX app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that you need to open the StockX app, and once your item sells on StockX, you need to simply ship it to the authentication center. Now first thing which you need to do is that after the buyer purchases your item, you'll receive a notification from StockX to ship your items. Also you'll receive the necessary details and prepared shipping labels, so you need to prepare your item for selling. Now from here you need to click on the option of account at the very bottom of the screen. So after you have gone on the account center, you need to simply click on the option of selling, and here you will see the option of current, pending and history. So click on the option of pending and you will see the option of orders in it. So here StockX will provide you with the prepared shipping label. Once the sale is confirmed, you need to simply print the shipping label and apply it to the package, and after securely packaging the items, you need to simply ensure that the shipping label is visible on the outside of the package, and you need to simply ship it to the UPS or USPS on your nearest location. So by doing all of it, you may simply ship the product from the StockX. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.